really good to get their feedback. They're actually seeing in the field and answering their questions.
Awesome. So what were some of the things they were super excited about?
So they loved just how easy it is to install, right?
Okay.
Super lightweight, score and snap. And new users, people who, you know, coming from a cement board, they were blown away and just showing like how easy it is just to score and snap.
Were there any concerns about the sealant only method?
Yeah, so I think there's a little bit of apprehension, right? Of you're trying to convince people that it's truly waterproof.
Right.
You know, the polyiso construction, that it's, you can nick the facer, that's not what's waterproof. The foam is what our waterproof is, right? Showing them and getting them to believe that. Doing little demos of running the sealant, running the 1/8-inch seams and spreading that.
Gotcha. Are you surprised at how many people are still using cement board?
Yeah, it's probably about 20% of the people we talked to are still using cement
Really?
boards, that we were, you know, still saying like, well, come grab this board, come lift 8 of these, and then, you know, versus one cement board, right? So
interesting. So do you feel like you had some converts who were like, you know what, I'm going to start going and buying this instead of cement board?
Yeah. We had a handful of guys that were like, I'm never using this stuff again.
Do you think it's generational? People, their dad hung tile and then they're doing it on cement board, so that's what I have to do too?
I think there's a little bit of that, right? Of people that's what they're familiar with and that's what they've grown up using. So it's getting them to, no one likes change, right? So
right.
Getting them to adopt something different is hard, but like we start using the product, I think it's a no-brainer.
Thank you guys all for coming by.